This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chandra Tyler. Welcome home to this stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, which includes an additional bonus room that can be easily converted into a 4th bedroom. This room has been beautifully remodeled, and key features includes new roof, 2020, with 12 inches sprayed insulation, complete inside and outside air conditioner replacement, 2020, new tankless water heater, 2022, complete kitchen remodel, 2025, granite countertops, unique double oven, all stainless appliances purchased in 2018, conveys with sale. Custom pull-out drawers for added storage. Complete remodel of master bathroom, 2024, complete remodel of second bathroom, 2025, updated electric panel, 2022. This home provides both style and durability. The open concept floor plan enhances the beauty of the decorative tile work throughout the home, and the custom crown molding provides a unique touch. Outdoor living can be enjoyed in the screened-in lanai and provides a place to grill and chill. There is a full security system which includes 9 cameras and a monitor. Mature landscaping provides the perfect curb appeal. Schedule your showing today. Seller is motivated. Bring in all reasonable offers. Listed by Denise Sears. For more information.